Hi guys, I am going to show you how to renew front suspension oil and renewing front suspension oil seal of the motorcycle. This video contains removing fork from motorcycle, dismantling fork, changing oil and oil seal, and assembling fork and fitting back to motorcycle. First of all, remove the front wheel by loosening this nut. Take out the axle and then remove the front wheel from the motorcycle. Remove the speed pickup sensor and hang it safely. Now the front wheel has been removed. Now we are going to remove the disc brake caliper. Loosen the two bolts and remove the caliper. Take it out and hang it safely. Now we have to remove the two bolts which secures the outer leg of the front suspension into the mudguard. Just remove these two bolts. There are two clamps which holds the inner tube of the front suspension in place. First remove this bottom clamp bolt. Then one more on the top, which is a Allen screw. Loosen both the bolts. Just pull the tube and take it out. Yeah, it is now removed. We are going to dismantle this. First of all, loosen the bottom Allen screw. Slightly slacken it and then remove the top screw using a 14 mm Allen key. Slacken it slowly because it is under spring pressure. Now take out the screw, pre-tensioned spacer, spring carrier and then the spring. Now drain the oil by inverting the tube. Take out the remaining oil by just sliding the inner tube in and out. Remove the dust seal using a screwdriver. This is the dust seal. If you cannot remove the bottom bolt because of the damper rod is spinning inside, then we need a tool. This tool contains 3x8 inch Allen key. This Allen key is inserted into a socket and then extensions to meet the height. This tool is inserted into the inside of the fork tube to hold the damper rod, and then remove the bottom bolt using a Allen key. Yeah, now the Allen bolt is removed. Now we can separate the inner tube and outer tube by just pulling out the inner tube. The inner tube has come out along with the damper rod. Now just invert it and take out the damper rod along with the spring. Remove the taper spindle. We are going to remove the oil seal. Using a screwdriver, remove the seal retaining ring. Just compress it and take it out. Now take out the seal by just pulling it evenly on its circumference. Just pull it out slowly. Yeah, it has now come out. Clean all the parts nicely. These are the dismantled parts. Consists of 4 outer tube, oil seal, seal retaining ring or snap ring, dust seal, piston or damper rod, spring, inner tube and spacer. We are going to assemble it now. Put this washer inside. This is the new seal. Insert the new seal into the outer tube. Keep the old seal on top of the new seal and slightly press it. Just tap it evenly on all the sides till the time the new seal sits in place. Yeah, it's now okay. Put the retaining ring. I'm going to show you how the damper rod is locked using this tool. Damper rod is having a slot and the tool goes into the damper rod and the Allen key used to remove the bottom bolt. Yeah. Just put this taper spindle into the outer tube. Insert the piston or damper rod into the inner tube along with the spring. Lubricate the inner tube slightly and then insert into the outer tube. Lock it using the bottom Allen bolt. Just screw in the Allen bolt. Hold the damper rod using the tool and tighten the bottom Allen bolt. Fill up the fork hydraulic oil. As per this design, it is 150 ml. Insert the dust seal. Put the spring inside. Just lift the fork tube. Then this washer. Then pre-tensioned spacer. And then the top screw. Just push the top screw and tighten it. The top face of the screw should be flush with the top of the inner tube. Now the fork is ready to assemble into the motorcycle. Just slide it in. Tighten the clamp bolts. Tighten the top Allen bolt also. Now fit the two bolts which secures the outer tube into the mudguard. Now fit the wheel with the speed pickups inside. Just slide in the axle and tighten the bolts. Now fit the brake caliper. Just insert through the brake pads and tighten the two bolts. Mount this black cap. That's it. Thanks for watching.